Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that we have x factorial divided by x minus 2 factorial equals 240. Guys, let's see how to solve this. We have it to be solution. Now take note that x factorial equals x into x minus 1 factorial multiplied by x minus 2 factorial. That's the general expression for the factorial notation. Now, by substituting this one in the above, we're going to have it to be x minus 1 x minus 2 factorial divided by x minus 2 factorial, so that this will cancel this out and everything equals 240. Now from here, this will cancel this, so we are going to have x multiplied by x minus 1 equals 240. Now let's open the brackets. We have x multiplied by x, we have it to be x squared. X multiplied by 1 will be x equals 240. Now we have x squared minus x minus 240. We have everything to be equals 0. Have it in mind that this is a quadratic. Now we have to look for the two roots. Now to look for the sum and the products of the roots. That is, when you sum it together, it will give you minus x, and when you multiply it, it will give you minus 240. Think of two numbers. The sum will give you minus x, the product will give you minus 240. That is, we have it to be 16 and 15. 15 minus 16 will give you minus 1. So 15x minus 16x will give us minus x. So we can have it here to be x squared plus 15x minus 16x minus 240. We have everything to be equals 0. Now we can have this to be x squared now we have this to be, I factor this together, we have x squared plus 15x minus 16x, then this will change to plus 240. We have everything to be equals 0 because of negative outside the brackets. Now from here, what is common is x. We can factor it out to be x into bracket of x plus 15. Here we have 16 in common. We have 16 into bracket of x plus 15. So we have x plus 15 in both. We can take this to be x plus 15. Now by dividing it with the first one, we are going to have x. With the second one, we're going to have it to be minus 16, and we have everything to be equals 0. So from here, it shows that x plus 5 equals 0, and this implies that we have x to be equals minus 15. So guys, therefore we have our x1 to be equals minus 15. Again, we have x minus 16 equals 0. Then we have our x to be equals 16, which we can declare to be x2 equals 16. So from here, let's check for the value of x1 and x2. We have x factorial divided by x minus 2 factorial equals 240. Let's take the value of x2, which equivalent to 16. Now we are going to have it to be 16 factorial divided by 16 minus 2 factorial. Is it going to be equals 240? Now guys, note that this 16 factorial can be expressed as 16 multiplied by 16 minus 1 multiplied by 16 minus 2 factorial. Now let's substitute the expression here. We're going to have 16 into 16 minus 1 multiplied by again 16 minus 2 factorial, or divided by 16 minus 2 factorial. So from here we have it to be, is it going to be equals to 40? This we cancel this out. We have it to be 16 minus 1 will be 15, and is it going to be equals to 40? 16 minus 15 will be equals to 40. So x2 is correct. So for the value of x2 equals 16 is correct. Now let's check for the value of x1, which equivalent to minus 15. We have x1 to be equals minus 15, which means we're going to have it to be minus 15 factorial divided by minus 15 minus 2 factorial. Is it going to be equals to 240? Guys, from the above we have minus 15 factorial, which can be simplified as minus 15 into brackets minus 15 minus 1, again minus 15 minus 2 factorial. Let's substitute this here. We have it to be minus 15 minus 2 factorial. This we cancel this. Are they going to be equals 240? This we cancel this. Then we have minus 15 again. Then we have it to be minus 16. Is it going to be equals 240? Minus times minus, it is believed that minus times minus is plus. 15 times 16 will be 240, which equivalent to 240. This is also correct for the value of x equals minus 15. Guys, if you are new here, watch this video, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. So guys, we can declare that the value of x1 and x2 equals 16 or minus 15. Bye bye.